Negros Oriental, a province in the
offers a variety of tourist attractions. Some of the famous ones include 1. App Island, known for its stunning marine biodiversity and vibrant coral reefs. App Island is a popular spot for snorkeling and diving. It is home to a diverse range of marine species, including sea turtles. 2. Dumaguete City, the capital of Negros Oriental. Dumaguete City is known for its laid-back atmosphere and friendly locals. Visit the Rizal Boulevard, Silliman University, Dumaguete Cathedral, and explore the vibrant food scene and local markets. 3. Manjayad Sandbar. Also known as the Maldives of the Philippines, Manjayad Sandbar is a stunning stretch of white sandbar located in Bays City. It is best visited during low tide when the sandbar emerges, creating a picturesque landscape. 4. Twin lakes of Balansasao and Danao, located in Sibulan. These twin lakes offer breathtaking views and a tranquil environment. You can go boating or hiking around the lakes and enjoy the lush green surroundings. 5. Casaroro Falls, situated in Valencia. Casaroro Falls is a magnificent waterfall cascading through a narrow gorge. It requires a short hike to reach the falls, but the journey is worth it to witness the beauty of the cascading waters. 6. Pulangbado Falls, located in Valencia. Pulangbado Falls is known for its unique reddish-brown rock formations. The waterfall is surrounded by natural pools where visitors can take a refreshing swim. 7. Malatape Market. Held every Wednesday in Zamboanguita, Malatape Market is a bustling local market where you can find fresh produce, local delicacies, and handicrafts. It's a great place to immerse yourself in the local culture. These are just a few of the many tourist attractions in Negros Oriental. The province has much more to offer, including beautiful beaches, historical sites, and natural wonders.